Hi guys, so this is the sketch that I am gonna be coloring in the Procreate app. So if you want to know how I do it, just keep on watching the video, and without any further ado, let's just jump right into it. Okay, so what you basically have to do is first thing is click a high quality picture of your sketch. You can use a DSLR or you can use your iPhone's camera or your phone's camera, but it should be a high quality picture so that you can color it really nicely, and it becomes really easy when the picture is high quality. The second thing is just insert the picture on the app and create a new layer above the inserted picture and set the layer to multiply. And that's what you basically do, and it really doesn't matter what software you're using. You can use Photoshop, you can use Illustrator, you can use a sketchbook, any software you can use. Just apply the basic simple principle, which is to set the layer which is above your inserted picture to multiply. And what I am doing here is I painted the background with the dark purplish color first so that I can see what skin tone would go with that background. Now you can do the same. I would suggest you guys to paint the background first before you start to paint the skin, because sometimes what happens when you start painting the skin first and then you decide the background color, it doesn't really match up. So yeah, that is a tip from my side. And other than that, I do have a video on portrait painting, which is not as good as I wanted it to be, but still I do have a video on that. You can check that out, and you can also check out a video on master the blend tool, which is really important. If you are painting in Procreate, you should know how the blend tool works and you should master that. So if you haven't watched that video yet, you are missing out. So this video, I'm not going to be going into detail on how to kind of paint the skin or how I'm doing the whole process. I just wanted to tell you guys the basic principles that you should apply when you're coloring your sketches. So still, if you want an in-depth video about it, like painting the skin and all, then I can do that video too. Just leave the comment down below, and I'm just gonna speed up the process here. And yeah.
Hey, that probably take her.
So here I'm adding just a little gradient to the picture, as I wanted the outsides of the sketch to be more darker than the center, and you can see how I'm doing it in the video. And I also increased the exposure of the picture a bit just because it was too dark. So here I'm adding glow to her icy crown, and I'm just going to be speeding up the process, but still you want to know how I go about it, then I can do a tutorial on it. And you can do the same thing in the Procreate app as well, but I decided to do it on the Photoshop to add the basic glow using Photoshop.
Hey, that probably take her.
So at this point I realized I was not recording, so I exported the time-lapse video from the Procreate app itself. But I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, I'll see you guys the next time.